Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. If you clicked on this video, then you're interested in learning how to install your new Noble RD1 trunk spoiler onto your 2022 to present Subaru WRX. Well, you're in the right place. Before we get started, let's take a look at the tools required to do the job, plus what to expect when you open up the box. After removing all of your protective packaging, you're going to find your Noble RD1 3M tape and 2 pieces of mounting hardware. Once all of our parts are accounted for, we can move over to the tools required to do the job. It consists of a 1/4-inch ratchet with both 8 and 10 millimeter socket with extension, and a small pick or a flathead screwdriver. To get started, we'll first pop the trunk. Inside the trunk area, you're going to find 9 plastic push pins that will need to be removed with your small pick or flathead screwdriver. Remove your interior trunk felt. Behind that felt, you're going to find 2 round holes. You're going to gain access to the 2 8 millimeter pieces of hardware that attach our trunk spoiler to the trunk lid. Remove those 2 pieces of hardware. With our hardware removed, we can now close the trunk lid and remove our factory spoiler if equipped. Now, there are a handful of other plastic pop clips that keep this spoiler attached to the trunk lid, so you will have a little bit of effort to pop it off. As you can see, the basic design is very similar with a couple of differences. Number one, the factory spoiler is a little bit more bulgy up top, where our RD1 spoiler kind of has a sleeker look that goes off the back, and it also has a little bit wider footprint, plus our 2 little bump outs are a lot more pronounced on our RD1 spoiler than our factory spoiler. The other thing to discuss is if you have a base model car that didn't come equipped with a factory lip spoiler, then most of this disassembly doesn't matter to you. But what does matter is how you're going to attach your new RD1 spoiler if your car wasn't equipped with a factory lip spoiler. If you do decide to use the anchoring hardware, then we will have to mock up our new RD1 onto the trunk lid, make sure our hole position is exactly right, then we can drill our pilot holes and see if we're even in the ballpark. After we've confirmed fitment, then we can drill that hole out to a larger size that will accommodate the mounting hardware that comes in the kit. If you're looking for more detail on how to line up those holes and make sure they're exactly right the first time, click on the link for our RD2 spoiler where we go much more into depth. For our install today, we do have the holes which are going to work in our favor, so let's get our new RD1 spoiler onto the back of the car. The first thing we're going to do to prep for the installation of our wing is to clean our wing and our mating surface free of any dirt, debris, or wax. We can now add a small strip of 3M tape around the perimeter of our brand new lip spoiler. Now, because we are using our anchoring hardware on our holes here and here, we don't have to use an abundance of our 3M in the middle, so we are just going to be focusing mostly on these outer edges. But if you decide not to use the anchoring hardware and stick just with 3M tape, there is enough provided to do the entire perimeter of your new wing. Mock up the wing placement for proper fitment and mark with painter's tape. Our 3M tape is installed and we've mocked up our wing onto the trunk lid. We can now remove our protective film and finally install our wing using the 3M tape and the provided hardware. Press evenly and firmly across all contact patches. Finally, if we're happy with our placement and our fitment, then we can go ahead and tighten up our 2 pieces of 10 millimeter hardware and then reinstall our trunk felt. Thanks for taking a look at the installation of our Noble RD1 trunk spoiler onto our 2022 to present Subaru WRX. If you're looking to learn more about proper 3M installation, click on the link in the cards above. This video will go in depth with proper preparation, conditions, and cure times for your best results. So for thousands of products just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.